Short drive out of Lithgow down to Mount Victoria, and we're just going to go for a little hike here and find this cave, Bushranger's cave or something like that. Got my coffee, had my cookies, let's go.
Drinks all starting to die now.
Inside the Bushranger's cave, this is pretty cool. Obviously GoPro, forgot my torch, left that back in the truck. Can't see in there, but it goes in about 15 metres and it comes to a stop. Beautiful view out behind us over the valley. Can't see too much today, we've got a lot of clouds. It's a bit raining out there and a lot of low-lying clouds. Come check it out. That's pretty cool. Good caves, good walk, a bit puffed. Good views. It's unreal. All right, what's up for the next adventure?